Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your Cardano ADA from Coinbase to Binance for better trading opportunities or staking rewards. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this step by step. It's easier than you think, but always remember, crypto involves risks, so let's stay safe and smart about it. First things first, make sure you have verified accounts on both Coinbase and Binance. This is crucial for smooth transactions and to avoid any hiccups. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Head over to your portfolio, find your Cardano holdings, and select the Send option. You'll need to enter the amount of ADA you want to transfer. Double-check this to ensure you're not sending more than intended. Next, switch to Binance. Go to your wallet section, select Cardano, and generate or copy your deposit address. Pro tip for 2025. Always verify the network. It's probably still the Cardano mainnet, but things can change with updates, so confirm it's correct to prevent your funds from getting lost in the void. Now, back on Coinbase, paste that Binance address into the recipient field. Take a moment to review everything: the address, the amount, and any transaction fees. These fees might be lower in 2025 thanks to network improvements, but they can still add up, so keep an eye on them. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your two-factor authentication. After you send it, the transfer will go through the blockchain, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Binance wallet to confirm the ADA has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just wait a bit longer or reach out to support. A quick word of caution: never share your private keys or wallet details, and always use official apps to avoid scams. That's it for this tutorial. By now, you should have your Cardano safely transferred. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together.